Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Felicia Mesadieu, your personal stylist, educator, and beauty guide. And the purpose of my channel is to always serve you and helping you make the best wardrobe and beauty choices so that you always look and feel your best. I figured today I would do an impromptu video, very informal, and so today I'm going to be showing you what I'm wearing today. I have not seen these videos on YouTube in such a long time, and if I do see them I have to go searching far and beyond. And I've always loved outfit of the days. If you didn't know this about me, I started off as a fashion style blogger, and that's essentially how I transitioned into YouTube. I took an internship thinking that I was going to be doing more on the end of helping a influencer with her blogging, and then I just kind of stumbled into the other content that she produced, and it was YouTube. She did YouTube videos, and so that's how I got my start on YouTube. And so yeah, this is very natural for me to do an outfit of the day. However, I'm doing it in video format, and sometimes that's even better because you don't have to deal with, you know, trying to get the right picture and editing it and all that other stuff. So enough about that. Yeah, I definitely wanted to do this impromptu informal video because I am going, well, I already did it, but I'm going out to eat today also a little later for my sister's birthday, so I wanted to share with you what I was wearing. Earlier we had tea in the garden, and so I am wearing this beautiful flutter dress with the sleeves from, oh my goodness, from Target. Yes. So that's what I'm wearing. It is so cute. I love this dress. It is so pretty. So this is kind of on the coral pink side, but then it's also sort of like a pastel. It's really pretty, and I just thought that it was so feminine and so dainty, and I thought that it would be really nice to wear this in the garden and have tea with my sister and my mom. So this is what I wore. I vlogged it, and I'm going to be showing you a little bit of that vlog in this video. I think that if I do vlogs, then I definitely have to start it off with outfit of the days, because why not? If this channel is about personal style, then I definitely have to incorporate style with a lifestyle vlog, and I think that just makes sense. I have to make this channel cohesive. So that I'm trying to work vlogs into this channel, but I'm trying to make it into a way where I'm still showcasing personal style, which is what this channel is about. Okay, and so yeah, I purchased this dress, oh my god, let's see, about a few weeks back when we first started quarantining. Actually more than a few weeks back, I'd say about a month or so back. I've worn this outfit on my channel already. You would have seen it in 2 videos before this one, and I love the dress so much that I decided to make this part of my capsule wardrobe for summer. So it's going to be a part of my summer capsule wardrobe. All right, so let's talk a little bit about what I'm wearing here. As you can see, it has the slit tie neckline, and if you go onto Target's website, it actually says that this is considered, it states that it's an exotic trim. I thought that was pretty funny, but yeah. And then the gorgeous eyelet detail in the sleeves that flares out. Now that would be an exotic trim there. Oh, I love this dress. When I saw it, I was pretty much breathless, and the dress is actually a little bit more airy and flowy, but I wanted to add some shape to the dress, because if you can wear it loose and flowy, but I just wanted more shape. So because it can kind of look a little moo-moo, but then it also has that summer flowy dress appeal. I'm all about providing shape, so I did wear a brown simple leather belt that I got from I don't know if this is real leather, but I got this from Target, and it just cinches the waist in. And I made sure that I chose a skinnier belt as opposed to a thicker, wider belt, so that it could help me with fit and proportion. So it complements the outfit really well, and also complements my shape. I chose to go with green earrings just to offset the color. Again, it just elevates the look and makes it a little bit more aesthetically interesting. So that's why I chose the green. I always like to take the look up a bit with my accessories, and I normally choose colors that aren't so matchy. I think that's the best way to make your outfit pop. To elevate it, you just try something that offsets that color, like there's something that's kind of completely opposite but also works with the color palette. And then I just decided that I would wear a braid. My hair is in braids, and I love this side ponytail. This has been like, the side braid has been my thing since I've had these braids. I'm wearing this simple gold costume ring from H&M, and I am wearing brown sandals from Target. They're last year's. I bought them last year sometime. Kind of has like this braided detail. And then sporting this wicker straw purse, which I absolutely love. And it has like the pom-pom detail here. I purchased this from Target. So this whole outfit pretty much comes from Target, except for the earrings. This is a very affordable look here. You don't have to have everything. I just have everything pretty much, but you know, you don't necessarily need the belt. You don't even need the purse. And I bought them all at separate times. So very affordable. Do what you can do when you decide to go out and purchase items, but then also just know that when you want to look good, you can still have style, but on a budget. So that's just something to always keep in mind. I'm in a size medium. Your girl picked up some quarantine pounds, so as we're quarantining in this season, you know, I had to go up a size. And also I just wanted to make sure that it was fitting my physique, that everything was in proportion and fit, because it's all about fit and proportions. Fit and proportions are key. All right, so this is my full outfit of the day. I don't know why I do not know why my mirror looks so streaky, but I'm not about to play games with it today. I just cleaned it earlier this morning and it just looks so streaky, but I promise you it's clean. So this is my outfit of the day. As you can see, I just absolutely love pink. So yeah, pink is a part of my bedding. It's a part of this dress. So my bedding is a part of the outfit today. This is my wicker straw bag. Oh, I'm in love with it. It's like a wicker straw tote. And then this is the full outfit here. And for perfume, I am wearing the Vince Camuto Bella, this one here. And I'm also, oh no, where's the lotion? I layered it with the lotion, which is the Vince Camuto Love. Maybe that's in my purse. But yeah, that's what I'm wearing for my perfume today. I just felt like it was really feminine, and it definitely would have been the perfect perfume for today, the perfect scent. Okay, so you've got a pretty good idea of what I look like today and what I smell like. On to the vlog.
Someone like you could love.
So today is Amelia's birthday. In case you guys didn't know, Amelia's my sister. And we're having tea in the garden. There's Mom taking off her mask. Say hi, Mom.
Hi.
Amelia, how old are you today?
I am 39.
39.
One more year until I turn 40.
How do you feel today?
I feel great. I feel fabulous. I'm excited for what's to come and what the next year is going to bring.
So we love tea. We love tea. Amelia first introduced me to the tea house for my mom's birthday the first year that I was here, and so I feel like it's not a tradition, but we like it.
Yeah.
Right?
Well,
because
but
we've only done it twice with each other.
I think when we do it on birthdays, so it's kind of a tradition.
Yeah.
But yeah, we do like it. We love it, actually.
It's so dainty and feminine, and
that's what it is.
Girly, and we just have girl time, and yeah. So that's what we're doing today, and we're gonna get some teas.
And we're currently.
So this is the cinnamon chai tea. This is the garden. How pretty is this? Look at this. It's so pretty. So I'm in the garden, and this is absolutely fantastic. Look at that. Oh, we are truly having tea in the garden. Truly having tea in the garden. I love it. This is like this has always been my dream. To just do such dainty feminine things like this. Having tea in the garden. I love it. I love, love, love it. Look at this. Look at this. Oh. I wish we were like sitting further back so that we were having I wish we were having tea right in the middle, smack dab in the middle, but what we're doing right now is it's perfect. It's such a beautiful, quiet day for tea. It's just so pretty. Look at this. Just look at this. It's so nice.
Mom, are you gonna use this honey?
Yeah, I was gonna use it in case if the stone is not sweet enough.
So amazing. Can't wait to dig in. Okay, sweetheart.
Salt, pepper, girls, ketchup.
Can I have some more honey?
Yeah, oh, jelly for you, honey.
Honey.
And can I get plastic silverware?
Absolutely.
And jelly. Oh, yeah, that's it. Plastic
Jelly,
silverware.
honey, plastic
And napkins. More napkins. Thank you. The grilled cheese?
No, just the cheese, the cheddar cheese and ham.
Oh.
She said she'll be back.
Oh, come on.
Alright, so I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Favorite, peace, and blessings. Oh, and let me know if you guys like these type of videos. I mean, I'm still gonna put them on my channel, but I do want to know, do you like these type of outfit of the day videos? Because we hardly see them anymore. I want to know. Let me know down in the comment section, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.